I finally got up the hill. All that time I've been here, and I've never been up here on the incline to show you what the whole place looks like from the elevated position. And like I told you, there's just too many trucks here. Too many trucks here for you to see all in one day. Unless you had a pair of roller skates or something. See?
Nothing compares to that.
This one's always the biggest.
Really?
See? Everything to the tree line is all trucks.
It's nice to see everybody get out.
Everything back there to the tree line, all trucks.
I don't see any trucks.
And everything you see to the tree line around Carlisle Fairgrounds is all truck. Well, back there is all the vendors and the flea market and the swap meet. But you know, see? Here in the foreground, you got vans here, you got pickup trucks here, trucks there, trucks there, trucks there. You got vans over there, heavy duty rigs way in the foreground. We got these monster trucks here. No, monster trucks in the foreground. And the big rigs way back there. And you got some more trucks down here, you see this level. You know, then in areas you can't see, there's still more trucks. And then behind me, you know, on the hill here, like I said, all trucks. Truckity, this homemade tow truck right here. And there's some of this stuff over here. Up there to the street, and then, you know. So, just wanted to show you guys. What they're doing now is the motocross. They're doing a motocross. I guess earlier they were doing the monster trucks. You know. And then tonight they're going to be doing a competition against the big rigs. Who's got the best lights on the rigs. But, man. Oh, look at that. Vista Cruiser Falcon van. Yeah, so it's Truck Nationals at Carlisle.